Let us help you with your budgeting. This is AshCashStash, where we take the complexity out of money matters. We are here to guide you through the ins and outs of wealth management with a smile. In this channel, we believe that navigating the world of finance shouldn't be dry and dull. That's why we bring you a delightful blend of professionalism and comedic relief to keep you engaged while we unravel the mysteries of personal finance. Today we will talk about managing your money for your future, 50-30-20 rule. Prepare to embark on a journey of financial enlightenment as we cover topics such as budgeting, investing, and strategic money management. But fear not, we'll infuse each lesson with a pinch of comedy because let's face it, laughter is the best financial medicine. So grab your notepads, power up your calculators, and let's dive into the fascinating world of wealth creation. Together, we'll uncover strategies and insights that will have you confidently navigating the financial landscape. Alright, let's start with the burning question. What on earth is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule. It's a popular practical budgeting guideline that helps individuals manage their finances in a balanced and efficient way. Let's dive into this tasty metaphorical pie and see how it can help us slice up our expenses. Imagine you have this mouth-watering pie sitting in front of you. It's the perfect representation of your income or monthly budget. Now, let's start slicing it up to allocate your funds wisely. The first and largest slice, comprising 50% of the pie, represents your needs. These are the essential expenses you must cover to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. They typically include your rent or mortgage payment, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, insurance premiums, and any other necessary bills you need to pay regularly. This slice is like the hearty filling of the pie, providing the sustenance you require to meet your basic needs. Now, on to the next slice. This one is 30% of the pie, and it represents your wants or discretionary spending. These are the expenses that add flavor and enjoyment to your life, but they aren't essential for your survival. This category includes dining out at restaurants, entertainment, travel, hobbies, shopping for non-essential items, and indulging in occasional treats. It's like the delicious icing or toppings on the pie, adding that extra bit of enjoyment and satisfaction to your financial journey. Finally, we come to the last slice, which is 20% of the pie. This slice represents your financial goals and priorities. It's like the crust of the pie, providing a solid foundation for your financial future. This category includes savings, investments, debt repayment, and building an emergency fund. Allocating a portion of your income to this slice ensures that you're setting yourself up for long-term financial stability and success. By adhering to the 50-30-20 rule, you're maintaining a healthy balance between meeting your immediate needs, enjoying your wants, and securing your financial future. It helps you avoid overspending on non-essential items while still leaving room for enjoyment and saving for the future. Of course, everyone's financial situation and priorities are different, so it's important to customize this rule to fit your needs. You might find that you need to adjust the percentages slightly based on your circumstances. The key is to find a balance that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. So the next time you think about budgeting or managing your finances, just remember the delicious pie analogy and the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple and effective way to slice up your income and ensure that you're making smart and balanced financial decisions. Enjoy your metaphorical pie and savor the taste of financial well-being. First up, we have the needs category. These are the things you absolutely need to survive and thrive. Think of them as the essentials that keep your ship sailing smoothly. We're talking about stuff like food to fuel your body, a roof over your head, whether it's renting an apartment or owning a small piece of the real estate pie, and insurances that protect your health and well-being. These needs are like the basic building blocks of adulthood. Without them, you'd be stuck in a storm without an umbrella. Now, let's set sail into the wants territory. These are the things that make life a little more enjoyable, but aren't absolutely necessary. Picture those small treats that bring a smile to your face, like going out for a fancy meal with friends, buying that latest gadgets you've been eyeing, or treating yourself to a weekend getaway. These wants add spice and excitement to your life, like sprinkles on top of a delicious ice cream sundae. They're not essential, but they sure make life sweeter than a batch of freshly baked cookies. And last but not least, we have savings and debt repayment. This is where you allocate a portion of your hard-earned cash to secure your financial future. It's like building a sturdy lifeboat to weather any storms that may come your way. Start by setting aside 20% of your income for savings. This can be used to create an emergency fund, which is like having a safety net to catch you if unexpected expenses pop up. And don't forget about those pesky debts that might be lingering around, like student loans or credit card balances. Tackle them head-on by making regular payments and steering clear of the dreaded interest monster. So there you have it, the 50-30-20 rule, simplified and tailored just for you. It's all about meeting your needs, enjoying some wants, and securing your financial future through savings and debt repayment. Remember, this rule is like a compass that guides you through the vast sea of personal finance. So, hoist the anchor, set sail on your financial journey, and may your pockets be filled with treasure and your path be filled with smooth sailing. Dear friends, let me remind you of a valuable lesson that we should never underestimate. The true power lies in putting knowledge into action. Though it may seem straightforward, the real magic happens when we implement what we learn. So, I implore you to invest your time and effort in creating a well-thought-out monthly budget, diligently monitoring your net income and breaking it down according to the 50-30-20 percentages. The revelation that awaits you is astonishing as you witness how perfectly your hard-earned dollars fall into these predetermined categories, ultimately leading to a remarkable transformation of your financial situation. Trust me, this seemingly simple yet profound exercise has the potential to work wonders in your life. Before we conclude our conversation, I present you with an exciting challenge that will not only enrich your own financial journey, but also empower those around you. I invite you to share this enlightening video with a dear friend or beloved family member who could greatly benefit from the invaluable financial wisdom we've discussed. Remember, we are all interconnected, and by spreading knowledge, we contribute to each other's success. Seize this moment to don the cape of a financial superhero and extend a helping hand to someone in need. By doing so, you become an agent of positive change, fostering a community of individuals who are well equipped to navigate the intricacies of personal finance. Embrace the opportunity to make a lasting impact on someone's life, and together, let's unlock a future brimming with financial well-being and prosperity. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. By staying informed and having a few laughs along the way, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of financial advice. We're committed to providing you with valuable insights that will make your financial journey a more enjoyable one. Connect with us in the comments section below. We love hearing from our dedicated viewers, and we'll be there to answer your questions and engage in a little friendly banter. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you financial success.